Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance in the UK. First, you'll need to create an account and complete the necessary identity verification. This step is crucial for accessing all the platform's features and complying with regulations. Once verified, you can proceed to fund your account using various supported methods, making it easy to start your crypto journey. It's a straightforward process designed for user convenience. After setting up your account, depositing funds is simple. You can typically deposit British pounds directly through a bank transfer or by using a debit card. Once your funds are in, you can easily convert them into your chosen cryptocurrencies. Binance offers various trading options, including spot trading for immediate exchanges and more advanced options like margin and futures for experienced users. Always understand the risks involved. Security is paramount when using any crypto platform. Always enable two-factor authentication to protect your account from unauthorized access. It's also important to be aware of the UK's regulatory landscape, particularly the Financial Conduct Authority's guidelines concerning crypto assets. Remember, any profits you make from trading cryptocurrencies are subject to capital gains tax, so ensure you report these to HMRC accurately. Beyond basic trading, Binance offers advanced features like staking and savings products, allowing you to earn passive income on your crypto holdings. Should you encounter any issues, their customer support is available to assist you. For those looking to simplify their home life, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's a fantastic way to keep your space tidy effortlessly. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.